Well, love the lover, he the lover. Well, lover. Everything he deep in the soul. And the sunrise by the beach is show. And we get up, not there's so much more. Queen Street buzzing, hear that sweet refrain. In Toronto, baby, love is like champagne. Every corner hums with our shared melody. From distillery to the annex, it's all poetry. Chair muscles blue and high parks raised. You the heartbeat of the city's embrace. From the CN Tower to the lakeside breeze, I feel the love in this city with my mind at ease. We got the rhythm, yeah, the heartbeat strong. In Toronto, baby, you know we belong. Late night strolls by the glowing skyline. In your arms, everything feels so fine. Do you feel when you're walking down the street? Do you feel the groove that's universal? Do you feel every time I leave? Kensington Market, where we lose track of time. Holding hands at the shore, lovers in their prime. The city lights reflecting in your brown eyes. Underneath this maple sky, our love won't disguise. Through every moment, every night so true. Toronto love, girl, it's just me and you. Do you feel the love in T.O.? Do you feel the groove, juice, universal? Do you feel every time my eyes meet? City's love is in the air, in every corner, everywhere. Together in Toronto's light, we'll keep proving through the night. Oh, do you feel the love in T.O.? Do you feel